This video is a 15-minute Pilates for flat belly. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go through a Pilates routine that will help tone your hips and also help you work towards having a flat belly. We're going to start right away. We're going to lay down up against the back of the mat. Hi, Sadie. We can begin by supporting our head with our hands. We want to activate our core. What that means is we're going to take our belly button in and up. So really working to maintain this. Supporting ourselves with our top hands, point the top toes up towards the ceiling. Really trying to do an external rotation of that leg. We're going to keep our top leg straight. Just lift it up, drop it back down. Lift it up, drop it back down. We'll do 10 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep that core active. 10. I forgot, so slide that foot up the leg, stretch it out, drop it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. We'll do little circles with our top foot. So keep the toes pointed up, keep that core active. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. We're going to grab that top ankle. We're going to push the knee back, really taking that knee and shoving it back. Try to have that top knee in line with the ankle. Reach through the heel, point the toes down on that bottom foot. And lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then do circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Bend the legs, get the shins parallel with the mat. And we're just going to lift. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep that core active. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Keep the feet together. Lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now bring the feet up. We're going to lift, kick, together, down 10 times. Keep the core active. Draw the belly button in and scoop it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Smack that ass. And then walk your hands to the opposite side. It helps, it really does. To support yourself with the bottom hand, line your back up against the back of the mat. We're going to have the feet out to about a 45-degree angle. Support yourself with your top hand. Scoop the belly button in and up. Spin the toes so they're pointed up towards the ceiling. Bring that top leg up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then walk it up. 2. Try to keep your hips from moving all around. Keep the core engaged. 5, 6, I think. 7, 8. You might get a bonus one. 9, and 10. Well done. Keep those toes pointed up. We'll do circles. 2. Keep the core scooped in and up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now we're going to bend that top leg. Grab the ankle. Push that knee out as far as you can. You want to try really, really hard to get the knee right over the ankle. Reach through the heel, point the toes down. Lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then do circles or triangles. Whatever shape you're making, it's really awkward. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's definitely a triangle. Bend your legs. Line the shin up with the front of the mat. Keep the core active. Pull the belly button in and scoop it up. Just lift. 2, 3. Try to bring the top leg directly up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep the feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then bring the feet up. Lift, kick, together, down. Lift, kick, together, down. Lift, kick, together, down. Keep the belly button scooped in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now lay on your back. Oh, think about the choices you've made in your life. Like doing this video. It's a good one. Excellent choice. Stretch your toes out, point through your toes, stretch your arms out over your head. And on your in-breath, lift your arms up till they point right over your head and then start to exhale. Roll yourself up, reach towards your toes. Good job. Now we're gonna come down incrementally because it's harder. So bring your arms out like you're a beautiful ballerina. Come back. 1, hold, a little bit more, hold, a little bit more, hold, a little bit more, or drop like a stone, but not really. Try to slowly come down. This is something you might want to work up to. Exhale, come up, reach towards your toes. Inhale, come up, make beautiful ballerina arms. Slowly come down, keep that core engaged. Doing it in quarters. Arms up, exhale, reach towards your toes. Come back. 2, 3, and 4. Come up, we'll do 2 more. Exhale, reach towards your toes. See if you can go a little bit further, bending from the hips, not the low back, being very mindful. You can even bend your knees just slightly to notice the difference and lift your head. That'll keep you from rounding your low back. Anyways, round your arms. Slowly come back. Pop the chest open. 2, 3, and 4. 1 more. Bring the arms up. Exhale as you roll up. Reach down to your toes, fold forward. Slowly come up, circle your arms. Pop the chest open. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. And then we're going to lace our fingers together back behind our head. Bend the knees. We're going to lift our head and shoulders up, have our left leg bent, the right leg at about a 45-degree angle. Point the toes, engage the core, really activate the core. Bring the elbow up to the knee. Switch. 2, this will work the obliques. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Squeeze the knees into the chest. Exhale. Arms and legs come out. Circle them around. Squeeze them in. 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Good job. Slowly lay back. And next we're going to do a single leg stretch. Just stretch both legs out. We want to keep them straight. Now straight means straight. It doesn't mean that you have a bend in your leg. It means that it is straight. Engage your core, lift your head and shoulders up. We're going to straighten the leg and tug 2 times on the calf. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. We're going to leave the feet under the hips. Stretch the arms out along the sides. We'll do a little bit of a cool down. Push the stomach and low back to the floor. On the in-breath, we're going to push the heels into the floor, lift the hips, lift the spine, 1 vertebrae at a time. Go into bridge, engage your glutes. Keep the knees within the framework of the hips. Slowly, gently come back down. Again, come up. Well done. Bring both feet up in the air for happy baby. This one feels excellent on your low back, especially after you do some Pilates. Feet are parallel with the floor. Take a wide stance with your knees. And then squeeze both knees into the chest. Rock from side to side. Squeeze the right leg in, stretch the left leg out. Switch sides, squeeze the left leg in, stretch the right leg out. Good job. Slowly grab the backs of your legs, roll yourself up. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this video. I hope it helps you on your fitness goals so that you can get nice and fit and get that flat belly that you've been working towards. Please check me out on Instagram. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, share so that other people can benefit from it. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste. I know, you're a pretty girl. Hi. Hi, puppy.